Hello?
Hello?
Who is speaking?
It's me, Aaron.
Ha! Why are you calling me with another number?
I have been calling you since and you refuse to pick my calls.
I refuse to pick your own call number.
Yes, because you are owing me.
Ha! Are you the only person I'm owing? Are you the only person? Do you know people that is owing me?
Please, I need my money. And I want to say my account number right away.
Now what happened?
I want to say my account number right away.
I will not sit, my phone screen break.
Oh, your screen break. How then did you not know that I'm doing calling you with another number?
How did I see what?
That I'm doing calling you with another number.
The number that's called is by the grace of God.
Let that grace of God show you my account number.
Grace of God doesn't work on account number.